On this exercise, I'll show you how to add a connection manager on a project level. A connection manager is a connection that allows you to connect to either your SQL Server database or a particular file you wanted to extract data to, or a particular file you wanted to export data to. So to create a connection at a project level, currently in this particular example, I'm going to show you how to actually create a connection to your SQL Server database. To do that, right-click on Connection Managers, and it gives you an option, New Connection Managers. So click that, and here it gives you a list of connection managers you can create. In this exercise, I'm going to show how to do an OLEDB connection to SQL Server. So I'll select OLEDB connection. This is defined as online linked and embedded connection because SQL Server is considered to be an online linked and embedded database. So I'll say add. Now here I have previously created connections. So I'm going to remove all those. And now if you are creating connection for the first time, you'll see blank. You don't see any kind of connection. So to create a new one, you have to click new connection here. Now here you have to provide the server name and you log in. And for most of you guys, if you're attending Duna, you will have window authentication. If not, you have to select SQL authentication and provide a username and password. If it's a window authentication, keep it as a window authentication. And the last thing you need to do is provide and select a database name that you want to connect to. Now, first, what I'm going to do is provide my SQL Server name in here. To get that SQL Server name, I'll go to my Management Studio and click Connect. I'll see my SQL Server name in here. If you don't see it in here, there's a way to get it. Drop down the server name, go to Browse, and open your database engine. It will show you your SQL Server name in here. So once you have that, you can copy the SQL Server name in here and bring it to Visual Studio and paste it here as the server name. Next step is, since my authentication is window, I'll keep it as window. Then I'll go here and select AdventureX database. Here, you can choose any database whatsoever and test my connection, and the connection is successful, and say OK. Now I have a connection to my server to this particular database. When I say OK, now here the connection is created. This is called project level connection in here.